Hi, my name is Faraz. I am one of the candidates for the C-SWIP 3.1 course. This is my first online course ever. I was afraid at the beginning, but I was wrong. The course was moving really smoothly. We cover all the aspects so far, and there is one day to go. There is no buffering. The audio was clear. The videos also were clear, and we were moving on schedule. At the end, I want to thank IRAM and also TWI for generating this course at this critical time, and goodbye.